Hey everyone, this is Uttam Singh and this is the first video for the Polygon DeFi playlist. In this playlist, I'm going to show you how you can use the Polygon network and how you can play with that. Also, I'm going to show you how you can set up your MetaMask wallet, how you can add Polygon network to that, how you can withdraw and deposit your token in the Polygon network, how you can swap the tokens and much more, right? So this is the first video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up and install your MetaMask wallet, right? So let's get started with our video, but before that, do like this video and subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new video, and this will support me a lot. So here I am on the Google search engine and I am using Google Chrome as my browser, and this will work for any browser. If you are using Mozilla, if you are using Brave browser, if you are using any browser, this technique will work for every browser. On the Google search engine, search for MetaMask, and when you will type MetaMask, you will see it in the recommendation. Here it is, and then click on it. Open the first website, that is metamask.io. And after you hit on the metamask.io, you will see something like this. So we are into the MetaMask official page, and then you can see that it is a crypto wallet and it is a gateway to all our blockchain apps. And you can scroll down more, and if you want, you can learn more about it, how it works and everything. And also you can also see a YouTube video as well that is also given, and you can see that it is key to all your applications. So let's now download it and click on the download now button, and then it will ask you for which app you want to download. So right now I am on Chrome, so it has automatically detected that I am on Chrome, so it is showing me Chrome. If you want to install it for iOS, click on iOS button. If you want to install it for Android, click on the Android button. So right now I am on Chrome, so I will hit the Chrome button, and then I will also hit the install MetaMask for Chrome, and it will redirect you to a Chrome web store where you can add the MetaMask wallet as an extension, right? Click on add to Chrome button, and then it will ask for your permission whether you want to add MetaMask wallet as your extension, right? So click on the add extension button, so you are allowing MetaMask to add it to your Chrome extensions, right? And in any moment the downloading will begin, and yes, it has begun, and it will automatically add to your Chrome extension. So let's wait for a moment, and then you will see that it is automatically added to your Chrome extension. Yes, there it is. MetaMask has been added to your Chrome extension, and I guess it will automatically redirect us to MetaMask wallet. Let's wait for some time. Yes, there it is. So it has automatically redirected us to MetaMask, and it is asking us to set up our MetaMask wallet. So welcome to MetaMask, connecting you to the Ethereum and decentralized web, and we are happy to see. Click on the get started button, and it will ask you whether you are new to MetaMask. So if this is your first time you are setting up your MetaMask wallet, then click on yes, let's get started, let's get set up. So click on create a wallet button, and if you are an existing user of MetaMask, right, if you have already used MetaMask before, then you already have secret recovery phase. What it is, I'm going to explain in the future video, and if you haven't used it, so this is our first time, then click on create a wallet button. So click on the create a wallet button, and then it will ask you whether you want to help us improve MetaMask. So it will ask you whether you are allowing MetaMask to gather your usage and everything, right? So in this I don't want MetaMask to collect any of my data. I don't want to share my data. So I'm clicking on no thanks. If you want, you can click on I agree, right? So I'm clicking on no thanks, and then it will ask you to set up your new password. So your password can be anything. It is up to you. Set up your password. So I'm going to set up my password. That is, I'm not going to tell you. Okay, it is not long enough, and yeah, set it. I am also going to confirm my password. Okay, I've set it, and also it will ask me to agree and agree the terms and conditions. So if you want, you can click on terms of use, and then you will find the terms and conditions. So if you want, you can read this out, that what are the terms and conditions whenever, if you have time, and then if you agree with those terms and conditions, you can just click on the create button, and your MetaMask wallet will be created. And also remember this password as well. It is very important. Use a password that you remember, and then it will show you a video which shows you that how you can use MetaMask wallet, right? A short. So if you want, you can watch this short video, and
MetaMask is in.
I'm going to skip this video, and also there is a paragraph which shows you what is secret recovery phrase. So your secret recovery phrase is a 12-word phrase that is the master key to your wallet and your funds. So in future, if by mistake you forgot your password and by mistake you uninstall MetaMask, then this is the secret recovery phase which will help you. And if you lose the secret recovery phase, you will lose all your funds and you will lose access to your wallet, right? So this is the master key, and this you will have to save it. And how do I save my secret recovery phase? Save in a password manager. If you want to save it in a password manager. Save it in a bank vault, write it down on a paper and keep it in your almirah or anything, or there are many places where you can save this secret recovery phase. Should I share my secret recovery phrase with anyone? No, never. MetaMask will also not ask for your secret recovery phrase. Just for login, it will ask you whenever you are logging, if you have, uninstalled, if you forgot your password, then only MetaMask will ask you for the secret recovery phrase. Rather than that, nobody is going to ask you for the MetaMask secret recovery phrase. So don't share it with anyone. If you share it with anyone, then the person or the company will have access to your funds and your wallet, right? So keep this in mind. Don't share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, right? Now click on the next button and then it will show you your secret recovery phase. Your secret recovery phase makes it easy to backup and restore all your account. And also there is again the warning. I'm also saying you that never disclose your secret recovery phrase with anyone, right? And anyone with this, and here is the warning again that never disclose your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Anyone with your phrase can take your ethers, can take your funds, everything. So let's actually I'm not going to reveal you this my secret password, but yeah, you can just click on this secret password and here it is. This is my secret recovery phase, and I'm not going to show you. I have blurred the video. So just copy this secret recovery phase and paste it or write it down in a paper and save it, because this is very, very important. And if you want, you can also remember it. And there are some other tips as well. Store this phrase in a password manager like 1Password, or write it down and save it in 3 different locations. It is up to you whether you want to memorize it, whether you want to write it. In my case, what I do is I write it down in a paper and store it in a vault. It's up to you. Just keep in mind that this is very, very important, right? And if you want to save it, just save it right now. And if you don't want to save it, click on the remind me later. But I will suggest you to save it and click on the next button, and it will ask you to confirm your secret recovery phase. This process will take some time, and maybe this process will be some loud for you, but this is a very simple process which you should follow, because there are a lot of risk in using a MetaMask wallet. And there are right now a lot of things going on. People are doing it for the money, and people will ask you for your money. So it is very important to secure your MetaMask wallet. So just confirm it, and this is a very small process and you can do it in just a second. So I've confirmed my secret recovery phase, and make sure it is correct, right? And now they click on the confirm button. Congratulations, you have passed your test, and now it's your responsibility to keep the secret recovery phase safe, right? And there are some tips as well which you can read out, that be careful of phishing, that there are a lot of phishing happening right now, and people will ask for your secret recovery phrase, but never share this phrase with anyone. And if you ever have any questions or see something fishy, click on to their support button, which you will find it out there. So if you have any of the requests, you have any of query, you can submit your request here. So now I'm clicking on all done. Our setup has been done of the MetaMask, and I'm clicking on all done. And there you will see that these are all new features that MetaMask has shown up. So if you want, you can read it out. I'm going to close it as of now. So we have finally installed and set up our MetaMask wallet, and this is your account ID that you will be giving. This is your public key that you will be giving out to other people, that hey, this is my public address, right? So this is your public address, and you can choose between different networks. So right now we just have Ethereum mainnet as our network. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add Polygon network to your MetaMask account or your MetaMask wallet. So this is the add network button which we will be using. Here you will see three buttons, that is buy, send and swap. These are three buttons that you will use, and we will also use this in our future videos. And you can also see the assets. There all your assets will be visible, and here on the activity tab your all transaction will be visible. So right now we have no transaction. We will be doing transaction in our future videos. And if you ever need any help from MetaMask, click on the MetaMask support. If you have any doubt, just click on the MetaMask support and they will definitely help. You can also choose between different accounts. So here all your accounts will be mentioned. Right now we have account number 1 which has 0 balance, and if you want you can create your own account. If you have a secret phrase before, and if you want to import any account, you can click on import account. And if you want to add your hardware wallet, and if you want to take your funds to the hardware wallet, you can connect your hardware wallet and you can do that as well. If you need any support, you can click on the support button, and if you want to change any of the setting, you can click on the setting button. Here are general setting, here are advanced setting, contacts and security and privacy, and alerts and networks and experimental and about MetaMask as well, right? So this is all for this video, and thanks a lot for watching. Do subscribe to the channel and it will motivate me to upload more such videos. And if you haven't checked out the Polygon DeFi playlist yet, do check it out. And there are other tons of videos on my channel which I think will help you. And yeah, do subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your family and friends, and this will motivate me to do and create more such videos. So thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned for the next video.